Hello and welcome to First Past the Post. Today we have a very futile discussion in front of us, in my opinion, about the European Super League, the ESL. So yes, Tanmay, what is your take on it?
What's my take on it, you ask? Hold on. Give me just a second.
Here comes the money. क्या
Money,
हो
money,
गया चेंज हो
money.
गया
Money, money, money,
भाई.
money, money.
This is genuinely so
This
annoying. Can't
is
even.
elitist cartelization, bro. This is what it is. Okay?
This is nothing but
Yes.
cartelization,
Correct.
and people who are like this is good for football. Football will be much more competitive now. You are taking the essence away from the game.
They're fucking idiots,
तुझे
dude.
क्या लगता है तुझे क्या लगता है जोल ग्लेजर वो अमेरिकन चूतिया उसको झाट से पता होगा यूरोपियन फुटबॉल का हिस्ट्री.
Dude, look at him. He looks like a
उसके लिए
fat,
उसके लिए
pale
उसके लिए
vampire.
भाई
Google it.
उसके लिए फुटबॉल हाथ से लेके भाग के सर तोड़ना है भाई वो इतना बड़ा चूतिया है. They call their fucking football soccer. That's it.
Listen,
It should end right there.
what they've done is let's just tell people ki, what has happened. I think everybody knows there's so much content out there anyway.
नहीं, I don't know. I don't think people know about this because
Okay, so
had
there will
people known
be
about this, people would not have acted like वो सही है होना चाहिए.
the thing is
People
that
do not know
this
about
was
this.
always in the background for the last 10 years. Ever since
Yeah,
there's been so much commercialization of the sport, where you've
see,
had billionaire owners just coming in, everybody
thing
gets
is,
to
yeah,
own a club.
in the especially in the Prem, in 2008, City had Sheikh
Mhm.
Mansour coming in, injecting like, all that money. In 2011, I think, no, 2009, I think it happened with United. Nine
हमारे पहले था bro. Yeah,
Glazers come nine, में, right?
six. No, no, no. They came before you were there. I think they've
Oh,
owned us
they
for
came
16
before that.
years. They've owned us for 16 plus years.
Doesn't matter. Any like whenever they came, when and after the injection of money in
Yeah,
City, United, teams like Chelsea, this was an apprehension. All right,
yeah.
this was an apprehension. Arsene Wenger talked about back in 2009, saying that the people who are behind this project are really going to push for it because money.
Yeah, so it
Now,
isn't quite surprising for us.
yeah, it shouldn't be, but the thing is,
It just hurts so much more now because it has actually the LOIs have actually indicated that this is going to happen.
we cannot do anything about. We'll just have to suck up.
We have to
We have to
acclimatize,
suck up.
but the game's gone, dude. It's over.
What people? All right. So like the problem I have with people not understanding the repercussions of this is that in a closed circuit permanent membership football, competition dies. There comes a point where there is a stagnancy and there is no competition. That is something people do not realize.
I think
Otherwise, they would not be supporting this. The very
as
essence of football, like anyone can come and beat anyone, is that idea is getting defeated in this.
see, sports is not just about competition. It's also the journey of a club. Okay,
Exactly. Group stage नहीं होगा
हम
बहन.
हर हफ्ते now we're playing AC Milan, we're playing Real Madrid, we're playing Barcelona. It means nothing. The entire purpose of Champions League football is when you get do well
Exactly.
in domestic. Now you've made it to the knockouts of the Champions League. Then after the knockouts, you've actually made it to the sorry. You get to the group stage
That's what
and
I'm saying.
knockouts.
Yeah.
It's the
मैं
journey.
वही कह रहा हूँ. मैं
It's the
वही कह रहा
value.
हूँ कि
It's the
भाई
culture.
that anticipation nail biting moments that you have, the screamers that you have, all of that will be gone. You know it for a fact. All right, fine. My club is a permanent club. Even if they don't win the JP Morgan Cup this year, they'll win it next year. At least they have a shot
Let me
at
tell
it.
you how this actually works. Okay, now there are 15 founding members, and then there are five other seats to other teams that can qualify through various means. Okay, who have had a good season
Various
in their
means.
domestic,
Various
yeah,
means.
probably, but who have done well domestically, and that's nonsense. And then the 15 founding who like they don't get relegated. The 15 of them where they just all they pour in all the money and then they can share amongst themselves like NBA में होता है. No relegation. What is this?
मैं वही that is my entire point that the idea of competition from the game will be removed and which is the essence of the game in my opinion. Consider this point Tanmay. just the viewers, just like 10-15 of you who are viewing this. अच्छा number one, just Real Madrid fans ना, comment में अपनी माँ मत मरवाना बहन जो चप्पल खा जाओगे, चूते के पट्टे हो तुम भाई सबके सब. Just because
Why?
Florentino Perez is your fucking chairman, it does not make the move right.
No, I think Madrid fans may want this move because they don't want to play Elche and Granada every week. Okay, they play these
That's
trash
the
teams.
point. Yeah, they are again. They are playing Osasuna, fucking all these shit teams. Doesn't matter. It's that is the
Dude,
problem.
as a United fan, I
Your league
love
is the
playing
problem.
Burnley. I couldn't celebrate the
I,
win United
I
against Burnley. I couldn't celebrate the win because
thing is,
when I opened Instagram, they're like, okay, yes, sir, LOIs have been issued.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना भाई वो you will not have the anticipation of winning over Wolves by 1 goal, having a nail biting 75 minutes and then scoring at the 80th minute against a
Mishra,
team like fucking West Ham.
listen to this quote. Can you do it on a windy night or a rainy night at Stoke? It's done. Where?
It's done for
It's-
my. See again, like I agree with the points of Barcelona and Madrid maybe supporting this, but do not support this just because Florentino Perez is pushing for it. Just because that guy knows how to make money does not make it right. I'm pretty sure he might be knowing the culture behind the sport, whatever, don't really care about it. But for him, it's just about the politics and the money.
They've killed the essence of the game. Look, money is great. Okay, money helps us buy things, which is fantastic. There's better investment. We can get better players.
It is
Not
कोई
against
मना नहीं
this,
कर रहा है यार,
but you
पैसा
don't
खराब
forget
चीज
culture.
है.
You don't forget what football is. It's a blue collar man's game. Okay, people work
Game
their ass
exactly.
off,
At
and
least
they
that
go
is
to
how it
weekend,
started in.
and exactly, and they go and watch their team, and now
Yeah,
it's all
dude.
dead. I genuinely, I
We
don't
all
know if I'll
see. The
acclimatize.
point
I
is,
don't know. I don't think I'll watch it. I think it's over.
I won't. I won't watch this atrocious fucking league. All right.
I think
Either
we need to
these guys
boycott, dude.
came.
I think we need to boycott.
Yeah, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ boycott करो. I'm pretty much sure that this video will be
No,
titled fucking hashtag boycott ESL
no. People
or
will
something
say
like
this,
that.
but they'll end up because they love the game, right? So I think they'll just suck it
More than
up.
that, they love their teams, but that
Exactly,
is not
they'll
the
suck it up
point.
and they'll watch it.
See, the point is, my point is, why would I want to watch it if I know for a fact that there are no repercussions if we lose?
See, but you'd still want to win, right? You've been supporting City for let's say
Win what?
a
There is no
decade or so,
glory
right?
in it.
The thing is, the glory is the winning aspect of it, isn't it? So now you'd want more money to win this Super League.
Then it only becomes about the money. See,
And
why
the glory, where you're
the
beating the
reason
best teams in the world.
the reason is, yeah, agree. Fine, you are beating the best teams in the world, but you are skipping over a major turn of the journey
That's true.
because you are not competing amongst uh, fucking 20 teams to be a domestic winner or at least in a domestic
correct.
top four to
Yeah.
go there.
So
You're
that's why
skipping every single
that's why
tournament.
you've got
You have a
Fiorentino. Listen to me. That's why we've got Fiorentino Perez. That's why we have Joel Glazer. Joel Glazer has no understanding of the game. He has not given a single interview. 16 plus years of owning United.
American,
Not
he's
exactly. He's
American.
made it to NBA, whatever NFL.
NFL,
I don't know
NFL.
NBA or whatever.
Similar thing happened in NBA. It's a close watch game. Not the point. The point is there is the idea of anything. Okay, for you, let me just give you an example. If you knew for a fact that you're going to get the axe, you will work better. That's how motivation works. अगर मैं
Yeah.
पहली लेग में 3 गोल खा लूंगा ना मैं अपने चूतड़ा कर दूंगा भाई कि मैं 3 गोल मारूं वापस.
No, see, that's still gonna happen in this league. You want to beat the teams, but you'll
It
just
doesn't
forget
matter.
it
You
all.
will
But
no.
no.
There has been always a motivational factor to prove your metal. Just because you have the fear of sanction that you might get dropped
No,
out
but
of the league.
instead, what it'll be, what ESL will promote is that you still have to win against the best. Forget losing, forget that. They'll create this mentality of winning against the best. However,
But
my point is, hold on a second. My point is
hmm,
that the entire journey, the entire tradition of the game is lost. Now that you've thrown just money at it.
barring the tradition, I think there will come a point where the game will be stagnant, where you watching Chelsea play Barcelona will not excite you after a
Exactly.
point.
No, no, that's exactly it. Yes,
After a
it
point, it
won't.
won't
Week in,
excite
week
you.
out, it won't. Dude, even right now, if we just end up being in the ESL, I won't watch it because I think it's pointless. How have we qualified for
तुम
ESL? Just
बोर हो
because we're rich,
जाओगे.
we're the biggest team. We're not the best team.
Yeah, you are the biggest money bringing in clubs.
On the
The
top three.
sorry to say this right now, but it's legitimately about the money. And the
Of course,
example of it
of course.
is that teams
Arsenal.
like Spurs and Arsenal are there. Arsenal चलो ठीक है फिर भी पैसा है, ग्लोरी था पहले. Spurs
Spurs is $1 billion
क्या है?
stadium. Sure.
It, वही बात है ना. The thing is,
It is. It is.
JP Morgan is hedging a $5 billion fund for this. They have been promised $3.5 billion in some, I'm not sure what time. All of this is about the TV rights, legitimately all of it, because if you are playing some team like Granada or Atlanta or some team like that, United for example, your TV rights will not give you more than, let's suppose, 80, 90
Yeah.
million a year.
Mhm.
But here you are guaranteed 250 million.
Yeah.
It is
It is.
about the money. Do not make it.
Yeah.
Do not go and
Exactly,
say
and it's because
ki
of
this is
also,
about taking power from the
bro.
UEFA. It
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not. It's about the money.
It's also because
You
COVID. They
have
listen. COVID, nobody could enter. You didn't get fees from the attendance because nobody played the game, because nobody attended. Your supporters weren't there. Now they need to recoup some through some way. Remember when they made, I think Sky Sports made watching one match £12, one a
yeah,
single match, and then they scrapped it
yeah.
because nobody. Why would you
Nobody
do
was
that to
watching it.
common?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think there were only
So,
40,000 to be
yeah.
40,000 people
So
who.
yeah, so now they're going to do it with this by creating this ESL, this midweek game,
तो
and I
भाई पॉइंट वही हो जाएगा. अच्छा पहली बात ये. दूसरी बात, अगर तुम फुटबॉलर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो, दिस विल बी किलिंग देम. If they actually come at a truce where ESL and domestically both are allowed, week in week out साले weekend पे ये लोग खेलेंगे domestic
yeah,
league, फिर मिड वीक खेलेंगे ये लोग चैंपियंस लीग,
yeah,
फिर FA कप. भाई फट जाएगी भाई, अभी नहीं हो
yeah.
पाता है.
So they'll have shorter careers,
Yeah,
but
that's the whole
that
point. They'll have shorter careers. They'll have to get in more money involved, get in more players, have a very decent bench strength. ये सब देखो, पता है क्या? Call me an old guy, whatever in terms of football, but this, in my opinion, will be the death of football competitiveness as we
it
know it.
is. You said it. The game is over. Everybody's decided on it anyway.
And I'm seeing some people making random videos on how it will be very good. These people will play, these people will play. But the point is, there will come a there will be a point in your life where you will get bored. और उस पॉइंट पे तुम कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड पता है क्या, मैं तुमको बात बताऊं क्या, दिस इज नथिंग बट इवेसिव टैक्टिक बाय दीज बिलियनर्स कि अब यूएफा से हमको कट कम मिल रहा है, तो अब हम नखरे करेंगे, हम अपनी खुद की लीग बना लेंगे, यूएफा को विल मेक देम लिसन टू अस.
No, that's what I figured. What it would be first is that they'll use their position to strong arm UEFA for a bigger chunk of the profit. However, with these LOIs and United teams like this leaving the ECA,
ECA.
I think there's a huge possibility that it might actually come to fruition this very year.
Thing is, I there was a discussion happening in one of the football groups, and I totally agree with this discussion. There will be a truce,
Yeah, yeah.
and there will be a 15 to 30 year का period जहाँ पे ये truce exist करेगा. उसके बाद फिर से ये नौटंकी होगी, क्योंकि at the end of it, when you allowed billionaires to come in and buy clubs, when you allowed them to invest in it, you made the sport lose its essence in terms of how it was viewed as a blue collar man's game. ठीक है, तो अब आपने वो कर दिया है, तो वो रंडापा करने. एंड people are telling me that it is not justified for you because you're a City fan. अभी बेंचो, तुम लोग चेल्सी का फैन है, तुम लोग का हमसे पहले हुआ था. Let it I think in the top six clubs right now, City was the last one to have the injection of money in it. I
Yeah.
think maybe Spurs after us.
Not
Maybe.
injection of money. Yes, no. Like City had an actual injection of money. We were bought for scraps, and we were bought against I
यार
don't dead.
बात वही है.
No,
Yeah, you were. The point is, the very simple point is City had a better deal. That's it. It's
yeah,
it's
yeah,
it's the same thing.
100%, 100%.
It's legitimately the same thing where we also have a billionaire. You also have a. Is Glazer a billionaire? I'm not sure.
Yes, 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 yes. Dude,
He's
they
a
own the
billionaire.
Buccaneers, dude.
Uh, the Buccaneers won the NFL this year, ना इसलिए
They're on
उसको
the,
इतना बड़ा
yeah,
बोनर आया
World
है.
Series बोलते हैं, Super Bowl, sorry. Super
जो
Bowl.
भी बोलते हैं, जो भी
Yeah, so
बोलते हैं.
that's why they're doing implementing the same here, hoping that United wins this ESL. They इसको भी बना देंगे World Series, इसको भी बोल देंगे Super Cup. बना दिया ना Super
And
League.
people who are saying कि PSG is being good and not following it, get your head out of your ass. Even I was one of those who was thinking on these lines, but
Owned
I
by
just had the
Qatar,
time to
bro.
think about it. They are
Qatar.
owned by Qatar. Qatar का World Cup है अगले साल. They cannot be in the bad books of UEFA and FIFA. भाई क्या नहीं. The day World
Don't
Cup
fool
gets over,
yourselves,
ना
guys. Exactly.
PSG
Yeah, they'll
कूद के
join
आएगा
right
भाई.
away. I don't know what you
They
guys are
will
thinking.
jump into it.
At least,
Legitimately, the only major football team in Major League which will not be a part of it is German leagues because they are fan-owned clubs.
no, the
That is
50.
why. That is
See,
why
people have issues.
Leipzig.
Listen. People have issues with the 50+1 ownership rule in the Bundesliga. But at least you don't have this sort of mass corruption. I know RB Leipzig, they have circumvented the rule somewhat.
That's the whole point. That's why Leipzig gets so much flack in the league.
Yeah, exactly. But at least ये सब नहीं होता यार. I don't know.
By they had the balls. They had the balls to straight away say no, Bayern and Dortmund.
I mean, even if they said
And
yes, the fan ownership would have said fuck right off, right?
and how the
50%.
fuck are Liverpool backing this project? Have
The
they lost it?
American owners, man. FSG
Have,
is always down for
FSG, I
money.
know their Fenway Sports Group or whatever their name is. Fenway, right?
I thought it's
I think
I don't know.
LeBron is also जो
हाँ
भी नाम है
वही
उनका पैसा बहुत है उन लोग के पास बात वो नहीं है बात पता है क्या है बात ये है कि they are not expecting the backlash that they will get from the fans but Liverpool के fans actually
Yeah.
जला देंगे भाई इनको उनको पता नहीं है अभी वो लोग चक्कू मार देते हैं भाई रोड पे चलते हुए आदमी को they actually
That is
shank people walking around in the area of Liverpool.
see. I actually wanted to talk to you about Spurs. Okay, sacking Jose. Now, the few things.
Severance package.
Yeah. So it's either severance package. Two,
Yeah.
either Jose has played very smart that he wants to he wants to get fired on a high that I'm for the fans, I'm for the game. That's why I'll refuse to let my players train. We'll protest this ESL. Or three, that he just got fired because he was in the bad books with Spurs ke players. He was in the bad books with Spurs ke fans. So to evade from this all the anger
देखो
of ESL, they fired Jose ki
redeeming
fans
factor.
be happy. Be happy fans.
It's a redeeming factor. Any which way, Mourinho leaving with the severance package is anything but bad for Spurs and everything but good for Mourinho.
Yeah, but
At
dude,
the end of it,
listen.
पैसा मिला उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Dude, you
ठीक
think
है.
Flick will come? You think Flick will come?
Hansi Flick,
I know he's supposed to go
भाई
Germany, but
देखो
the national
ऐसा
league.
है बहुत सिंपल सा लॉजिक ये है.
नहीं मत करो यार.
If he gets to have the German team in his hands, I don't think he's going anywhere.
The thing is, he's such a
The
good,
German
he's a
team,
great manager,
he's
dude.
great. Yeah, he's a great manager.
So why would he go to
And
German national team? Man?
German league, नहीं German national team.
Yeah,
Thing is,
national team.
German national team. My point is, he has nothing to prove in club football now. उसने कर दिया बायर्न उसको जो करना है.
I think
ठीक है.
he needs to prove himself with respect to rebuilding a team.
Spurs won't be that project. Simply
Hopefully.
because I don't think a German coach can come to Spurs and make them play better. हर जगह यूर्गन क्लॉप वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं बैठता.
I think Spurs have a very good squad, dude.
They have a very good squad, but they have a very bad chairperson, whatever. Levy नाम है ना उसका. Levy that भाई एक तो गंजा लोग ना चूतिया होता है. ये लोग
क्या बोलो? John Joe Shelby. Correct, good. John Joe Shelby, Voldemort. सही बोला यार मेरा.
Pep last year when the big football, when the bigger picture was being settled in, Pep said I was not going to support it.
Congrats, यार. Quadruple गया.
एज सच वैसे भी नहीं मिलने वाला था, चेल्सी ने हमको हरा रही, डजंट रियली मैटर। अब तो लग रहा है कि सीएल भी नहीं खेल पाएंगे। द वन टाइम वी क्वालिफाई अंडर हिज रिजीम,
This
हम
will be
सीएल भी नहीं खेल
amazing.
पाएंगे।
I'll be so happy if City
Dude,
get
I
knocked out if they
really,
get
you
disqualified.
know why I wanted Shivang in this video just for this segment.
Yeah.
इतनी गाली देता ना भाई वो, मजे आ
This is
जाते।
the best case scenario for a United fan. आप तुम्हारा दो ट्रेबल तो हो गया, अब और ट्रेबल भी नहीं हो सकता. You can't even win the Champions League. Hopefully, this is fantastic, amazing, dude. I
पीएसजी को
genuinely
दे
suggest they should
देंगे।
relegate us. Dock a few
They
points.
probably in all, I think they will.
Do a
I
dangerous
think
thing.
they
I'm
will.
down, dude. I'm down for a season or two in Championship.
मैं भी चैंपियनशिप में
Championship
खेल
is
लूंगा,
fun,
लेकिन
man.
उसके
Championship is actually fun.
भाई इतना इंटेंस फुटबॉल होता है चैंपियनशिप में, एंड टू एंड।
Yeah, and the number
वहां
of
पे पेप नहीं
games,
खेल पाएगा।
the number of
पेप कैन नॉट
games.
प्ले देयर।
Yeah, it is insane. I'm down, man. Please, if anybody's listening, anybody of who has, why am I like, sorry, as wearing shorts,
If
as wearing
anybody of
shorts
anybody of importance who can pass this message to the
to the Premier League
Premier
people.
League Association, yeah,
Yeah, dude.
please
Huh.
कर दो, रिमोट
Yeah,
कर दो
yeah,
हमें, कोई
dude. Relegate us, then Sheffield can stay up.
हाँ, हम तीनों को नीचे ले आओ, उन तीनों
Correct,
को
correct.
ऊपर ले आओ, कोई दिक्कत
Give
नहीं
us
है।
all 0-0-0, and then Sheffield can stay up. Get Chris Wilder back, it'll be fun. Sure, sure.
अच्छा, मैं अभी तक अपना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप चेक करता हूँ। आई थिंक जर्गन क्लब कॉल्ड फॉर मीटिंग, और वो अभी
Press
तक बाहर
conference.
गया नहीं गया। There are so many memes coming right now. It was Rudiger's idea to start the Super League. This started when he grouped together a mob in the cafeteria and chanted, "We want to change," after laying waste to Kepa.
Good, good. Kepa का hairstyle देखा, क्या लग रहा था यार?
किसका?
Kepa during the semi-finals, Kepa was all slick, all
मैं
combed back.
मैं बोलूंगा नहीं मैं इस पॉइंट पे कुछ, क्योंकि मैंने पूरा मैच नहीं देखा। टू बी वेरी फेयर, मैं स्टर्लिंग को हकता हुआ देखा, मैं मैच बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि तुमको पता था हम
Sterling was
भागेंगे।
so bad. He was invisible by pura match. Terrible. How is Sterling? Because he's so inconsistent, and when he shows up so well.
Don't really care, man. मेरे को इतना inconsistency नहीं चाहिए। And I in the football group I was ranting about it. So United fans who who
क्या
are
बोल
in
रहे
the
हो?
group, they were like, अगर तू सिटी का सपोर्टर होके रैंट कर सकता है तो हमारे बारे में सोच। मेरा एक ही लॉजिक था इस पॉइंट पे, हमारे पास रहीम स्टर्लिंग है, वीक इन
Please.
वीक आउट, ही इज गिविंग अस रीजंस टू रैंट मैन।
No, dude. हम बहुत, dude. We've got so many players who are so inconsistent. Okay, we've been winning, which is great, but our midfield, our defense, kya, dude, Maguire 6'4", he can't win a header against. Yeah, so I was thinking of Pink Floyd का गाना है Money, ना. So my lyrics देख रहा था, like, what is perfect, dude? Grab that cash with both hands and make a stash. New car, caviar, 4-star daydream. Think I'll buy me a football team. This is so spot on. So spot on.
Do you
चलो ठीक
think
है.
do you think after the advent of this ESL, if this is actually going to happen, do you think more billionaires will come in the picture?
Yeah, I think they're already owned, right? So what's gonna happen now? They're already billionaires who own UA and all that shit.
जैसे दो जो एक आध चाइनीज ग्रुप्स हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट ग्रुप्स
सबको
which
get
are
everybody, no?
invested।
Isn't Saudi Arabia and the Saudi prince back on the
ये तो मैं कह रहा
card with
हूँ,
Newcastle?
वही
Karo,
तो
let's repeat the same
that guy है।
mistakes. Fantastic, dude. It's great.
मेरे को ये NFL का व्यूअरशिप बहुत कम हो गया था post that change, and the dumbasses who are comparing it, the idiots and the dumbasses who are comparing this to the Premier League change back in 92, भाई demotion promotion का concept फिर भी था, it was not a closed circuit event, ठीक है?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे closed circuit permanent teams है, get that shit through your head।
That aside, the only pushback
Other
is
than the
with the
five
Premier
teams।
League concept is they allowed for big money to enter.
Yeah,
Because they wanted to line
and
their pockets as
moreover
well, right?
Moreover, the entire association was behind them, man. When Premier League happened, when Premier League was going to be
That is also
changed,
because lobbying from Murdoch and
लॉबिंग
for
वो
Sky Sports and
सारी
stuff like that.
बातें ठीक थी, सारी
That's
बातें ठीक है.
no,
बात
the
ये है
thing
ना.
is, when you allow billionaires to come in, when you allow
हाँ.
all this investment, people are driven by greed, right? So it's not beyond the scope of possibility that ये होने वाला था.
And those dumbasses are going to say कि football is a game for money and blah 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 blah. ठीक है भाई, जब कभी जिंदगी में मैच देखने जाओगे ना, सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस मैं बता देता हूँ. जब तुम 100 यूरो की टिकट खरीदोगे चूतिया से मैच देखने के लिए, और जब तुम कभी जर्मनी में जाके 8 पाउंड में, 8 यूरो में सॉरी खरीदोगे ना बायर्न की टिकट, जो झाट जलेगी ना भाई, तब समझोगे फर्क क्या होता है. You will understand what how a monopoly works. Then, even right now it's a monopoly, but whatever you are the stakeholders, you can try and convince them. You can tend to leave, but not like this. Not by walking away from associations, making up your own association, calling a super league. अगला क्या बनाओगे? Big Bash Super Extreme League क्या करोगे
Yeah,
क्या अगली
and
बार तुम?
Perez also said no that if you guys don't allow
फिर
our players with the World Cup, we'll make our own World Cup.
ये क्या फूक के बैठा है बेटी चोद. मेरे को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए मेरे को जिंदगी में भाई.
They can do
ये
it. They
इसने
need it.
इसने बोला मैं खुद का वर्ल्ड कप बना दूंगा, इसने ये बोला.
They need these players, dude. The domestic leagues, that's why they can't ban United together. They need these players. They need the revenue that is
No,
generated.
the thing is, even the clubs need domestic leagues. It's not like clubs don't need domestic leagues.
Dude, if they earn
Domestic league is
400
actually
million,
very.
if they earn
Thing is,
400
no,
million of the Super Leagues alone, just being a
you are
part of
looking
it,
you're looking at it in the wrong manner. Nobody will watch it. They will lose a shit ton of money in ticket sales and all of that. It's not just about these TV rights and all that. 400 million आ गया ऐसा मतलब नहीं सब कुछ चल जाएगा. The point is, अगर आप डोमेस्टिक लीग से बैन हो जाते हो, आपकी भी जेब पे लात पड़ेगी.
would I think Premier League needs these teams more than the teams need the Premier League. That's why they're at a position
Yeah,
where they're stronger.
probably yes. That is why they are calling the shots like they are right now. But the thing is, I think even the domestic league, if they were to be banned, the teams will suffer some loss economically speaking. Maybe Premier League, yeah, a lot. Premier League and German league में yes. Sorry, Premier League and Spanish league में of course. But don't really think Italian league में कुछ इतना difference पड़ेगा.
Right, and that's why they signed up. No, Juve, Inter, AC Milan. That's why they signed up because they've got nothing there.
Nothing. That's the whole point. वैसे भी स्पेनिश लीग में फर्क पड़ गया जब क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो छोड़ के गया था. when Ronaldo
Genuinely.
went,
Yeah.
तब इतना बड़ा फर्क पड़ा था. तो अगर मेसी भी चला जाएगा, सब लोग चले जाएंगे, तो भाई वैसे भी लीग खत्म हो
Yeah.
जाएगी.
So Madrid.
And anyway, if I'm being very honest right now,
Uh-huh.
Tanmay, if I'm being very honest right now, this is nothing. This is nothing but a fucking project to cover all the red in the ledger for Barcelona
This
and
is
Real.
it. This is what I was going to
Nothing.
bring up. This is what I was bringing up. They can't sign Galacticos anymore.
They can't.
Barca
Exactly.
have been struggling in debt. Madrid's been struggling in debt. When this ESL goes
यही
through,
है इन लोग का पूरा
is it?
प्लान भाई. ऐसा है ना, 700 मिलियन का डेट होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. आप कवर अप कर रहे हो, लेकिन इतना में चूतिया मत समझो फैंस को. द पॉइंट इज द पीपल नो, द पीपल कैन थिंक, द पीपल कैन कनेक्ट द डॉट्स. Eventually, if you're going to make the sports about the money only, then पूरा करो ना फिर. देन तुम ई स्पोर्ट्स भी ले आओ, इसमें सब कुछ ले आओ. मेक इट entirely about the money.
I'm done. Yeah.
तब खेल ही क्या.
This game's gone. This game सच में gone.
मैं नहीं देखूंगा. I'm not going to watch the atrocious fucking.
Let's talk Formula One, bro. क्या रेस थी, bro? at Imola. Amazing.
उनको नहीं पता तो किसकी बात कर रहा है.
Lewis Hamilton has
नहीं
shown
पता.
why he's the best in the world. He crashed. Okay, he
Hamilton
went to the
is
gravel.
AMG. He's AMG, right?
He's Petronas. Mercedes Petronas.
AMG Petronas, right?
हाँ वही. Then he went on to the gravel, and he was a lap behind. But his teammate Valtteri Bottas got into a crash with George Russell. So then the red flags came out, and they had to start again. So they could work on Hamilton's car. They could repair it, and then from I think P9 he finished second. Yeah, amazing.
I'm going to act like I understood all of it, but ठीक
Amazing,
है.
amazing.
मुझे इतना पता है कि वो Red Bull वाला बंदा जीता. Whatever his name.
What's happened? Good for him, I guess.
Verstappen,
I don't
yeah,
like him, but
because
good for you. ठीक है.
Yoga called me yesterday and told me कि
अच्छा.
Verstappen won. मैंने कहा okay,
Verstappen. अच्छा ठीक है.
good for you.
Also, हमारा what's the name? Askren dude. मैंने देखा नहीं मगर he lost to the Paul dude.
It's called fixing a match, guys. Look it up. IPL.
Dude, I haven't seen the highlights, but Askren he got beaten. He's
Yeah,
got such
बात
embarrassing
पता है
losses,
क्या?
dude.
सुन. The thing is, Askren had a surgery to perform on him 6 months back.
अच्छा ये भी हुआ था क्या?
After surgery, he could not walk for 8 weeks. वो 3 महीना ट्रेन
दिख रहा था.
किया.
Look
It
at
was
his
going to
body,
be
dude.
3-4 महीने ट्रेन किया. It was going to be like this. It was a fixed match.
Like,
The point
Askren,
is,
we
Jake
all-
Paul should fight someone where he cannot fix the match. He should go fight someone like KSI. But no, the point is he should go fight someone who will actually. He was threatening McGregor and calling him out. आके जबड़े पे लात मारेगा ना, मैं तो थोड़ा खुल जाएगा उसका.
Askren, sorry, not Askren. Connor's actually fighting Poirier again. The third fight. He just lost to Poirier.
Poirier, yeah.
Yeah, no, the thing about Askren
It's a
is
rematch, na?
Yeah. The third and probably the final match. So देखते हैं, let's see. Askren wasn't a striker in the first place, but he lost, which is embarrassing to the MMA community as a whole.
यार नहीं है embarrassing. और एक ना
It is,
मेरे को एक चीज बोलनी है. Now I'm officially a YouTube creator, whatever. प्लीज हगना बंद करो. यूट्यूबर हो, यहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओ, टट्टी यहाँ करके चले जाओ, ठीक है? जितना हगना यहाँ छोड़ दो. Do not destroy by becoming musicians, rappers, and by going into sports like.
What is this for?
Don't.
What are you saying?
YouTube की औकात YouTube तक ही रखो, ठीक है? मैं प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सिंग में मत घुस जाओ. किसी दिन किसी अच्छे बंदे से हो गया ना, थोड़ा रुक जाएगा भाई.
I disagree with this. Guys, be a renaissance man. You can expand yourself, do a lot of stuff. You don't have to be stuck on
spelling बता.
REN. Google.
Anyway, not the point. The point is do not do. कैसी बातें कर रहा है?
Why not? If people want to do it, go for it.
But they're destroying it. They're destroying everything, भाई. तुम टिकटॉक पे ना चलो भाई, ठीक है? तुम जाके भाई फिर तुम if you're going to shit the bed by making music, their music is shit, by the way.
It is.
Their music is shit.
Dude, Justin Bieber started off on YouTube, bro.
That's a very good example.
Fuck, that's a very good example for why music is shit. My bad.
मैं वही बोल रहा था. That is a very good example.
Not really, dude. I've listened to Love Yourself. That's a good song, dude.
Who? What?
Like the way you look that
Let YouTube be, ठीक है? A promotion site for rapper to come and promote the videos.
Ashir वगैरह वो लोग आएंगे, वो देखेंगे टैलेंट को.
हाँ, do not make. अगर आप YouTube पे अपने वीडियोस आके प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, अपना गाना वाना, make sense. YouTuber should not go into rapping. जेक पॉल की YouTube के गाने की वीडियो है, वो चूतिया. He's 23. God damn it.
Just do whatever you like, guys. No judgment. Karo.
This is the kind of reasoning why ESL is happening. ठीक है? जो करना है करो. भाई तेरे को याद है बचपन में जब हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे, वो हर सोसाइटी में कोई बच्चा होता था.
I'm just looking at Aguero's belly. I can just see Aguero's belly, bro. अच्छा हाँ, तेरा तो आ गया वापस.
तेरे को याद है बचपन में हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे, तो बच्चा होता था कि भैंचो वो तुमको बैटिंग दोगे, मैं अपना बैट लेके जा रहा हूँ. करेक्ट. वही है ये, सबके सब वही है.
पैसे नहीं दोगे तुम जा रहे हैं. बॉल मेरी है, मैं नहीं निकल रहा. मैं लेके
वही है. मैं 7 बजे अगर जा रहा हूँ फुटबॉल खेल के छोड़ के, तो फुटबॉल लेके मैं साथ जाऊंगा.
The football's mine. I get 4 penalties, ठीक है? I get 4
penalties. मैं ब्रूनो हूँ.
Do we want this shit to talk about? I'm just so annoyed.
This has been a bad week for me. City losing to Chelsea, ESL coming in. I don't know what's gonna happen next. For this is it for today, guys.
Good, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever. All right. So like again, do not take our word for whatever this European.
It's an opinion. Stupid.
Is. Yeah, it's an opinion. It's my opinion. मेरा opinion ये है कि.
Yeah, dumbass. Don't take it.
Thing is, अगर आपका opinion ये है कि ये अच्छा है, तो आपको अपना मुंह गटर में डाल देना चाहिए.
At least make an argument as to why, instead of just saying वो मजा आएगा.
And do not make the argument कि क्लब्स को देखते खेलते अच्छा लगेगा. मेक एन आर्ग्यूमेंट on the economical terms ki these teams can give back to the community or whatever. I'm still agreeable to all of those arguments. ये बोलो कि Chelsea will beat City week in week out.
Oh, dude,
Do
something
not make
happened.
an
IPL
argument.
RCB is winning, bro. मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, बट
Match
मैंने
fixing,
न्यूज पे
match
आया है.
fixing, match fixing,
Of course, of
match
course.
fixing.
Vijay Mallya needs to earn some dough, bro. He needs to ensure कि वो UK में safe है. Is he still
Anyway,
owner of RCB?
I don't think so.
Yeah, not allowed. No, I don't think that makes sense.
I don't think so.
चलो ठीक है. He's
वैसे भी
also owner of Force
नीरव
India, Racing Point अब
नीरव नीरव मोदी का
Aston Martin.
एक्सट्रेडिशन अलाउ हो गया ना, तो क्या पता विजय माल्या के भी हो जाए.
Correct, correct. Why do I keep my leg up, dude? अच्छा ठीक है.
तो अपना इनर बिहार ही निकालता है. इट्स फाइन.
मतलब सब कुछ ठीक है. हाँ?
चल, this is it now. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Right.
Make an opinion of yourselves on the make an opinion by yourselves on the ESL and let us know in the comments below how it's going. And we will not block your comments. We will. Anyway, chalo, ठीक है. Bye guys. Thank you so much.